Hello, this is a tutorial created by eTech, here to teach you how to animate your name using the website Scratch. What you need to do to start off is a sprite, which is a character that can be coded to do certain things, such as moving, changing positions, and rotating. Click here, which will take you a place filled with sprites that were created by the company. You can find animals, objects, and letters that are all in a certain category. Now you can choose any letter at any font. So we are going to get letters that is in our name. To start off, let's make our letter E move. You can do that by either having it start moving by clicking the flag or clicking the letter itself. You can find it in the events section on your left. Now, since we have it, let's try to make it move. We can do that by going to the motion section, which is filled with motion moves to do for the sprite. For starters, we can rotate it 15 degrees to the right. Now that we have it there, try clicking the sprite and it should do the action. If not, check if the code is connected to the orange code. Now, we need to do it to the rest of the letters. Now that it's all done, let's test it all together. Not only by that, we can make it move forever. To do that, go to the control section to the find move forever button, place it, and then remove the rotation code and replace it. Now you can put the rotation code inside the letter script area, then start it. So that's it for the tutorial. We hope you have a good luck on coding. This is giving us nervous wreck, like low key. Hello, this is a tutorial created. Benjamin.